blade and quill.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I would like to show you why I personally do not use the Google image search engine to find my reference images. I don't really like it because sometimes it takes a lot of work to make sure that the images chosen are free to use, that they are not in any way restricted or copyrighted. However, I understand that some of you love Google Images, so I decided to show you how you can browse and find out which images are licensed or free to use. And for those of you who like to play it safe like me, toward the end of this tutorial I'll show you which royalty-free image website I use the most. So without further ado, let's get started. When you search for reference images using the Google search engine, you will notice that there is a tag at the bottom left of some of the images. If you hover on any of them, you will see a text appear: Product and Licensable. You will also notice that other images are untagged. The most important thing to keep in mind here is that images, tagged or not, could be affected by certain types of restrictions or could be protected under strict copyrights. To sort your images, click on the Tools button. Using these tabs, you can sort the images by size, by color, by type, and by time. You can also narrow down your search results by usage rights. If you choose the All Usage Rights option, pictures of all kinds will be displayed. Product images are only and only available if you have selected the All Usage Rights option. Regardless of the product label, implying that the image is from an artist or that the product is for sale from a catalog, the image may still be under some type of protection. So be sure to check and read the fine print carefully before using it. To find images that are free of copyrights, you will need to select the Creative Commons Licenses option. Before to continue, please understand that not all images are completely free of usage. Artists may require that you credit them, or they may put some type of limitations on how or in what context you can use their creations. They could also stipulate that the image cannot be modified or used for commercial purposes. To find out the license details of a specific image, click on its tag. The image will open on the right side of your screen. Click on the license details to reveal the specifics. In this example, you can see that the image is free to copy, redistribute in any medium or format for any purpose, even commercially. So in brief, you are safe to use this image. If you select the option Commercial and Other Licenses, Google will only show you images that are copyright protected or have some type of restrictions. So basically you will need legal permissions to use them. So let's check one of them. Here, as you can see, this image is from Shutterstock, and they have listed their long list of restrictions. So here again, make sure to read the fine print carefully if you intend to use the image for commercial use. Restrictions obviously do not apply if you are going to keep your work for yourself and if you are never going to show, share or sell it on your website. your YouTube channel or any other social media platform. There are plenty of sites that will offer images free of any restrictions or copyrights. These are the ones I use the most. For your convenience, I listed them in the description box. I use Pixabay, Unsplash, Pexels, Flickr, Negative Space, Kaboom Pix, and LibreChat. Depending on the website you use, here I am showing you a Pixabay, you can search for photos, vector graphics, illustrations, video, or even music. Now, before we leave this tutorial, let me show you another thing. Sometimes you will see that artists give you the options to donate or credit their work. So please make sure to take the proper action when needed. Any donations or kind words are always greatly appreciated. We are done for today. I will see you next Monday, and I will show you how to use the free application PureRef to organize and save your reference images. So have a great week drawing and painting, and see you next time. Bye!